leadership?
I think the mortgage market depends a lot on what happens to interest rates, and that's something we're all watching. If the interest rates remain at a low level, I think mortgages are going to be available. And certainly the government agencies like Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae are still around, and for a vast majority of Americans, they're going to make sure that mortgages are available. It's going to be a pretty active market. When we think about regulatory reform, boy, that's a broad topic, because it includes not only what we have here in the U.S., which is the impact of Dodd-Frank, but also what regulators in Basel are doing as well. Also, it's broad because it affects different banks differently. But there are a few things that come out of that. The first principle is I think banks are going to have to be banks supporting the real economy, and I think that's a good thing.
The role of banks is to support the real economy.
What the real economy is essentially the economy that produces goods. It manufactures, it provides services, it's businesses. It's what is created every day by our productive capacity in the U.S. The second thing that comes out of this is transparency for consumer products, and consumer rights matter. And I think the third aspect that should come out of all of this regulation is a safer financial system. There's more work that still needs to be done, but the basic principles are pretty sound.
The first point is, if your business is about focusing on clients, you've done pretty well.
Mortgages are completely available to our clients as they need them, when they need them. But the bigger aspect of what's going on in the mortgage market to me right now is there are a number of Americans who need help. The big part of what we're doing is modifying mortgages. We've kept over 1 million people in homes. That's about $125 billion worth of mortgages that could have otherwise had issues and problems. We've got a significant role to play in helping the American citizens get through this financial crisis that we've been going through, and we're trying to do everything we can to make money available and mortgages available to our clients and customers.